Hello, my name is Laurie Du Bois and I'm a project manager at Allied Steel Buildings. As soon as the contract is signed, we handle the project from scratch to the end and further, right? Always being with the customer all the way. To me, especially during this event, during the summit, it really means that to be part of an international team, which is something very important to me, and it's amazing to gather all these people from around the world and really feel as a group working together towards the same direction. Allied is different from the rest of the industry by always looking for solution. Whenever a problem arises, we always try to find as soon as possible the solution, and instead of just focusing on the problem. And having this mindset every single morning is very important in the daily life. This is the main value of Allied, meaning we always look for solutions, and that's our main objective, and that's what the customer is looking for.